Vlog. So today is the last Pista Senior and Hobo Senior of Cebu City, guys. So we are here and church, guys. So they have more people inside and outside going to the church, guys. And we are here in the entrance, guys. I cannot do the inside because nothing wearing for the proper attire. So we are here in the outside, guys. Yeah, Pista Senior. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. This is the people is devoted for the Catholic Church, guys. A lot of the people here. We are here in a Chowking, guys. A close road morning, guys. Early morning, close road, guys. Yes.
Your children overusing of gadgets.
Look around, guys. A very beautiful more people here. Yes, more people devoted, guys. Please subscribe Archie Olores channel sa YouTube channel. Yes, guys. Entrance and exit both are more people. Yes, this is the devoted, guys. More people devoted of Catholic Church, guys. Like me, also a Catholic Church, guys. I'm a devoted also, but not participate today. I will do the lives. I do the taking for the vlog here. Wagalon. Pa-subscribe, guys, Archie Olores channel sa YouTube. Guys, please subscribe Archie Olores channel sa YouTube.
During our time, that holy is can only be found in the dictionary. Karong panahon na nananas mga umigilaw kada adlaw, and I'm not affected to that. Karon gamay lang ang one, kibuli ko. You wanted to get $3?
Okay. Wow, ang ganda.
8 o'clock in the morning until 5 in the afternoon. Clean the entire house, general cleaning.